7 programming repos you'll wish you knew sooner. GitHub is an absolute goldmine of quality learning resources. Here is the list of the best repos to learn. 1. Coding Interview University. Complete computer science study plan to become a software engineer. Multi-month study plan, organized well. 2. Web Dev for Beginners by Microsoft. 24 lessons, 12 weeks, web dev course. Created by devs at Microsoft. 3. Developer Roadmap. 22 interactive software development roadmaps. Incredibly helpful resource for pathway guidance. 4. Free for Dev. List of SaaS, PaaS and IaaS offerings that have free tiers of interest to DevOps. Free tier plan details for an endless list of DevOps services. 5. Realworld. See how the exact same website medium.com clone is built using different frontends and backends. Helpful for understanding other technologies in depth. 6. Tech Interview Handbook. Curated coding interview preparation materials for busy software engineers. Practice questions, interviewing techniques, and more. 7. Free programming books. Free learning resources in many languages. Good UX, organized well. Happy learning. In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.